Have you heard of castor oil before? Castor oil is a rich oil extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant and contains a high amount of ricinoleic acid. Additionally, castor oil is rich in essential fatty acids like linoleic and oleic acids and is packed with vitamins. So, who can benefit from castor oil? In today's video, we'll explore the various benefits of this extraordinary natural oil. We'll also discuss what you need to pay attention to in order to get the maximum benefits. Make sure you watch the video till the end to not miss anything. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Let's get started. Health benefits of castor oil. 1. Deep facial cleansing. Castor oil is an effective ingredient for deep cleansing in skin care. The ricinoleic acid in it dissolves dirt and excess oil under the skin, opening the pores and making the skin look cleaner and healthier. Moreover, castor oil maintains the skin's pH balance, regulating the skin's natural oil production. While cleaning dead skin cells and makeup residues, it also retains moisture, reducing the risk of dryness. It's particularly suitable for sensitive skin, minimizing irritation. Castor oil is commonly used in facial cleansers and masks for deep skin cleansing. 2. Relief from arthritis. Arthritis is characterized by joint inflammation and pain. The anti-inflammatory effects of the ricinoleic acid in castor oil can help relieve joint pain and swelling. When gently massaged onto aching joints, castor oil can improve blood circulation and relax the muscles in that area. Additionally, its warming effect may temporarily ease joint pain. Clinical studies and experimental research confirm the beneficial effects of castor oil on arthritis symptoms, though consulting a healthcare professional before starting treatment is important. 3. Laxative properties. Castor oil acts as a natural laxative, promoting bowel movements and helping alleviate constipation. The ricinoleic acid in it stimulates the muscles in the intestines, ensuring regular digestive function. However, its laxative effect can be strong, so it should be used in moderation. Overuse can lead to stomach discomfort, so it's important to use it in recommended doses. 4. Reduction of swelling and inflammation. Castor oil is highly effective in reducing swelling and inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of ricinoleic acid can help alleviate swelling and inflammation in the body, which often occur due to trauma, sports injuries, or prolonged sitting. Massaging with castor oil can increase blood circulation, helping reduce swelling and inflammation. Clinical studies show that castor oil provides relief in such cases and speeds up the recovery process. 5. Antibacterial effects. Castor oil exhibits antibacterial properties, making it effective against bacterial infections on the skin. The ricinoleic acid in it has the ability to fight bacteria, which can be beneficial in treating acne and other skin infections. Castor oil targets acne-causing bacteria, reducing inflammation and improving the appearance of blemishes and scars. Research suggests that castor oil is effective against certain bacteria, supporting its role in antibacterial treatments. 6. Wound healing. Castor oil can accelerate the healing process of wounds. When applied to cuts, wounds, and burns on the skin, it provides nourishing components that support the healing process. The oil aids in the repair of skin tissue over the wound and reduces the risk of infection. Additionally, castor oil keeps the skin moisturized, which can help scars heal faster. Research confirms the positive effects of castor oil on wound healing. 7. Boosting the immune system. Castor oil contains nutrients and antioxidants that support the immune system and help protect the body against diseases. The antioxidants in it help strengthen the immune system by fighting free radicals. Castor oil also enhances the body's natural defense mechanisms, supporting immune responses. These properties make castor oil a natural option for health and immune support. Research highlights the contributions of castor oil to the immune system and its positive effects on overall health. 8. Hair and skin care. Castor oil is widely used in hair and skin care. It nourishes hair roots, making hair stronger, shinier, and healthier. It can also reduce hair loss and promote faster hair growth. In skin care, castor oil helps retain moisture, relieving dry and irritated skin. It can also improve skin elasticity and reduce signs of aging. Castor oil is commonly used in hair masks and skin moisturizers. 9. Easing menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps occur due to the contraction of uterine muscles, and castor oil may help ease these cramps by relaxing the muscles. Massaging castor oil on the affected area can increase blood flow, helping the muscles relax. At the same time, its anti-inflammatory properties may reduce inflammation in the uterus. Studies support the effectiveness of castor oil in alleviating menstrual cramps. Massaging the abdomen with castor oil during the first days of menstruation can be effective in reducing pain. 10. Labor induction. In some cultures, castor oil is used to induce labor. However, there is limited scientific data on its effectiveness in this area. It is believed that castor oil may help stimulate uterine contractions and accelerate the labor process. However, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before attempting this, as each individual's health condition and response may vary. 11. Acne treatment. Castor oil may be effective in treating acne due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It fights acne-causing bacteria and reduces inflammation on the skin. Additionally, by maintaining moisture balance, it can prevent excessive oiliness. Some studies support the potential benefits of castor oil in acne treatment, making it a common ingredient in skincare products. 12. Improving blood circulation. When applied through massage, castor oil can improve blood circulation. This can help reduce muscle tension and pain. Castor oil stimulates the blood vessels under the skin, improving blood flow to specific areas. This feature can be useful for relieving muscle fatigue after sports or for daily relaxation. Research confirms the circulatory benefits of castor oil and its positive effects on overall relaxation. How to use castor oil for maximum benefits. Now that we know the benefits of castor oil, let's learn the different ways to use it effectively. Here are the 3 main methods. 1. Oral consumption. Castor oil can be used internally to support digestive health and regulate bowel movements. However, it should not be consumed in large quantities and should always be used under expert supervision. Small doses can help relieve constipation. 2. Massage application. Castor oil is highly effective when applied through massage for skin and hair health. It can be applied directly to the skin or massaged into the scalp to strengthen and add shine to hair. It can also be used to relieve joint and muscle pain. 3. Mixing with other oils. Castor oil is often mixed with other carrier oils, such as coconut oil. This mixture not only provides a softer texture, but also helps the oil absorb more easily into the skin. This method is commonly preferred in hair care, as it nourishes the hair and makes it look healthier. If you have watched this far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also help your friends and family by sharing the video with them. See you in another video and have a great day.